Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to lock chats on WhatsApp application. If you want to keep your private conversations extra secure even from people who use your phone, then you can simply go ahead and lock the chat. First of all, launch the WhatsApp app on your Android or your iOS device. Make sure that you're logged in and go to the Chat tab. Inside the Chat tab, find the individual or group chat you want to lock. Press and hold on it, and then in the pop-up menu, click on Lock Chat. WhatsApp will ask for your fingerprint, Face ID, or device password to confirm. Right after you go ahead and scan your Face ID or enter your device's password, the chat will move to a hidden folder called Lock Chats will be found at the topmost section of your chat screen. Simply tap on that, and this will require you to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your password, and then you will be able to spot the locked chat inside the section. If you ever want to unlock or remove the chat lock, press and hold on the conversation, and then in the pop-up, click on Unlock Chat. And that's how you can easily lock and unlock chats in WhatsApp in a smart way to keep your private messages truly private. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.